All right, Connie, let's go to the last team out there in Chicago.
Yeah, so the last project we've got here today is Split, a mobile app that provides a solution to a problem that pains us all, splitting the check fairly. I'll let the team behind Split take it from here.
Hi everyone, I'm John. This is my partners Raj and Jason, and together we build Split. Split is a mobile app that allows you to divvy up restaurant bills amongst friends. When you're at a restaurant with friends, usually how it goes is everybody pays separate, and either split the bill in half, but that's not ideal. If Jason gets a $40 steak and I just have a salad, ideally you want a way to for everyone to seamlessly pay for what they got, and that's where Split comes in. Split saves time, it prevents you from having to do math, and we take care of the payment request for you. So with that being said, let's get started. Let's log in as Ross from Friends. This will stick him to the camera, and he's gonna use a picture from our Starbucks receipt from earlier, which Phoebe and Monica will send some money. We should mention that this picture would not be saved on his phone in order for save the hassle to delete it afterwards. So he just took a picture, and we'll give it to Raj to analyze.
Thanks, John. So we use Google's image recognition API to actually analyze the image. And we get to extract out the relevant information like prices and also the item names. I want to mention that one of the many things we gained from this project is actually a deep appreciation for receipts. Because you can get receipts like this, with the duplicity combined with the item name, or like this, where the price is on a different line. You can also have multiple references to total, such as total, or amount, or charges, or many more things. Ross could be holding his camera a little bit sideways. Or he could also have eaten something so the grease makes all the decimal points look like commas. These are all things that we wanted to consider in our analysis. Now that he's actually analyzed the image, we bring him to an editable table. In this editable table, he can add items, remove items, edit item names and prices, and do anything else he deems necessary. He's going to go ahead and change pumpkin loaf cake to apple pie. Afterwards, he gets to add tip. He'll say that he tipped 18%. We actually take care of calculating the tax and tip for him so that those splits are as equitable as possible as well. Once he's comfortable with the receipt, he can then go ahead and queue our app to store this on our local Redux store, which we're using for client-side state management. The data is safely stored. He can then go ahead and add Phoebe and Monica as friends, and I'll let Jason walk you through the actual assignment process.
Thanks, Raj. So after getting his friends, he will then assign items or unassign items, as we see here. So we're going to assign apple pie to Phoebe, the blueberry muffin to Ross, the cake to Phoebe, the strawberry frappuccino to Monica, and lastly, the Pike Place coffee to Ross. Once we're done, we're taken to the summary screen, where you can get a detailed view of all the transactions. Now everything looks good, so we're going to go ahead and send a text out to everyone. Our texting feature is powered by Twilio's texting API. Let's check out what is on Monica's phone. On Phoebe's phone. So here we see we get a text notification from Ross. We get a detailed list of every single item she ordered. It has a link to take her to a pre-populated payment form. Now Ross then goes in and marks Phoebe off as paid. So building Split provided an opportunity to learn many new technologies. For our front end, we built on React Native, Redux, and for our back end, we use Express.js as our server, Firebase databases and authentication, and Node.js. Now you can look forward to seeing our app on the App Store soon. Thank you, everyone.
Yeah, I think that the Split app, when I first heard about this project happening, I thought, division is pretty easy for computers to do. But then I realized that this team really, really dived deep into this problem and came up with a solution that's actually very easy to use. And yeah, I'm, pretty impressed.
Yeah, the OCR scanning, I think, it doesn't give you that much, right? It just gives you the XY coordinates, and you have to kind of like realign the text and figure out what's lined up with what. I don't envy that project. I think that's a difficult task to do. I also don't like the idea of split because I always get a steak and Nimit gets a salad, and so I've been living off that gravy train for the last 10 years. So.